This is a celebration. This song up top we were meant to be easy, so we could sing them together. Psalms 118, it says, "This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it." Do you have joy? Let me hear you. This is the day that the Lord has made. Whatever happens, I will give you praise. You brought me out of the darkness and you with me all the way. Hey, this is the day, a brand new day. Hey, hey, this is the day that the Lord has made. Now you know it. Clap your hands like this. Help me sing it. That the Lord, whatever happens, I will give you praise. Be out of darkness and you with me all the way. Hey, this is the day, a brand new day. Hey, this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice, I will rejoice. God gave the mercy, so I made my choice to live for Him and bless His name. This is the day, a brand new day. Hey, this is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice. God gave me mercy. Do I make my choice to live for Him and bless His name? This is the day, a brand new day. Hey, this is the day that the Lord has made. Every second, every minute, every hour, and a minute, I will. The day that the Lord has made. Every minute, every hour, that I minute, I will. This is the day that the Lord has made. Every second, every minute, every hour, that I minute, oh, I will. And there's joy, and there's peace, and there's joy, and there's peace. No matter what, come what may, this is the day that the Lord has made. This is the day. This is the day. No matter what might come what may, this is the day that the Lord has made. This is the day.